Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I withdraw my money from my e-wallet Epay account to my local bank account. If you are live streaming, if you are on Bulu Up, if you're on Popo, if you are on Lollipop, if you're on Nikki Live, any live streaming app that pays, and you are wondering how to withdraw your money um um except through USDT. Epay is another way you can withdraw your money. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to withdraw your money into your local bank account, into Naira account. Now I have $19 in my Epay wallet, which I withdrew from my Nikki account. If you are yet to join Nikki, Nikki is another live streaming app, just like Popo and Lollipop. And if you want to register, I will leave my link in the description box. Also for Lollipop and Popo, my link is in my description box. Now let's dive into the video. For you to withdraw your money, you have to first of all be registered, open a wallet account. If you want to download this e-wallet account, I have a video about it. I will leave in the description box for you to download, for you to follow the link to download. And also, if you want to withdraw, you log into your account with your email. Then if you added Google authentication to your account, then you also have to put in the Google authentication code. Thereafter, you will be on this page. Now, for me to withdraw to my local bank account, I have $19. I am withdrawing through remittance. So I click on remittance. I want to withdraw from USD to Naira. So I choose USD. Then select payment information. The receiving currency will be Naira because I am withdrawing to Naira, NGN. Then select account holder, country or region, Nigeria. The payment method, receiving method will be my local payment, which is my local bank. The amount of dollar I want to withdraw is $19. I click on done. It shows me that a dollar is 1,370. Service fee is 0.38 USD. So I will receive 25,509 Naira 64 kobo. So I'll click on next. When I click on next, I would have to add my account details and every other thing. As you can see, you have to add your account holder name, your email, your telephone area code, your phone number, your bank name, your account number, your bank country or region, your bank branch code, a picture of your passport, and you click on confirm. So I'm going to fill in my details now. First with my email address. Then my phone number is already there. So I put my bank name. Which bank will I put? Let me put Guaranteed Trust Bank. Then I put my account number. Hey, I can't remember my account number again. No. Let me put my first bank. Is that one I can remember now? Let me put my first bank. I can remember that one. GT, it's been long I used it. Then bank country, I look for Nigeria. Nigeria is N. I click on Nigeria. You take a picture of yourself for the passport. After filling your PE information, you click on confirm. Then you've added your account information. Then on this interface, you click on confirm. You can see the information: confirm order, withdrawal amount $19, receiving amount 25,509. So you confirm everything that you've sent to them. Make sure they are correct. Then if they are correct, you click on confirm. After you've clicked on confirm, you'll be told to put in your verification code. You type in your password. Then you type in your Google Authenticator code, which is very important to secure your payments. And also you verify. A code will be sent to you to your email. You go to your email and type in the email code sent to you. Of your transaction, you go to transaction record and you will see the details of the transaction that you've made. Now after some few hours, you are going to receive an email that your transaction has been successful and the payment has been made to the bank account that you sent to them, or you use to receive the money. Then you have successfully withdrawn money from your e-wallet, Epay account. Just as simple as that. Very simple. Now if you come to my board, you can see that there's no more USD there because I have withdrawn it, and it's simple, very easy to work with. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section. If you've tried using e-wallet, did you encounter any problem? Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.